Well, I can't say I didn't warn you. Are you the type of person that likes to highlight the current line you're on when you're editing text in your text editor? Pulsar has a little bit of current line highlighting out of the box. I don't know how much you can catch on this video, but as I move my cursor through this document here, you can see that there is some highlighting of the current line. But maybe you're the type of person that wants more. Well, there is a package for that, and let me show you what it is. So if I open my packages here, you'll see I've disabled this plugin currently, but if I enable it, now I will get some enhanced line highlighting. So let me show you. So now you can see it's definitely quite a bit more enhanced, and you can tell exactly what line you're on. So if you want this feature in Pulsar, what you can do is open your settings with Control Comma, go to Install, and install the package highlight-line. Okay, when you search for it, it'll come up and give you the option to install it. I've already installed it, so I only have the option to uninstall or disable. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please share it with like-minded people and give it a like, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.